Simple physical properties of ionic substances. We will explore three main physical properties of the ionic substances or ionic structures. The first physical property is high melting point and high boiling point. So ionic substances have both high melting point and high boiling point. This means that they need high temperature in order to melt or boil. The second property is that ionic substances tend to be crystalline. Most of the ionic substances are found as crystals, as you see in the figure. You may think it's powder, but if you look closely under the microscope, you will see the crystalline structure. Ionic crystals tend to be brittle. Brittle means that they can be easily broken. Consider this figure, for example. Ionic crystals tend to be brittle. If force was applied to this ionic structure, repulsion between ions with the same charge, like the two large green spheres, cause them to come closer and then repel because they have the same charge. The same thing goes for the second type of ions in the structure, which is the smaller gray spheres. So this force caused repulsion between ions with the same charge. And this is the reason why crystals are brittle. And this is the third physical property.